Does anybody else love the car wash? When we were little, this used to be like going to the fair. Look at those bubbles. Woo. Car wash used to be so fun when we were little. Ooh. Car wash. I bet not seen that. All right, all right, all right. And we're all clean. Thank you, Tidal Wave. And the light is green and we can go. The car wash. Yeah. Spick, spanking clean. Now I need to pop my window back open. I mean, my rear view. That's not my rear view, that's my side. It didn't get all the way dry, but it's good enough. All right, we are ready to Uber some more.